What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing I guess a little exterior makeover on one of the prominent parts of the Blubicon. It's going to involve this. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, well, today involves the hood of the Blubicon. It's kind of hard to see, it's a little dark in here. I don't know if I can turn these lights on or not. They're supposed to be motion activated, but not working too well. Let's see here. Let's try this. Let's see if this will work. Oh, there we go. A little bit. Alright, well, you still can't really tell, but these Blubicon decals have been on here for about 4 years, maybe. A little bit longer. And they're just getting really faded. It's kind of hard to tell, but the top parts of them seem to be just a little dirty. And, you know, this used to be silver. This front one is almost brown now, basically brown. The L on my Blubicon here is getting all chewed up. So, I'm going to head on over here. Huge shout out to Donnie over at pixeldecals.com. We've got new Blubicon hood stickers, and we went with the Counter-Strike font instead of the traditional font. So slightly larger. So we're going to see how this changes the look of the old Blubicon. So I guess we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, got her all turned around so the camera can see what's going on. And yeah, it's time. You can definitely see the difference as you go along. The front of the hood here, I mean, that's nearly brown compared to the still kind of silver back here on the blue. Yeah, time to change these out. Get to work. Down to the last letter here. Alrighty, gang. Well, we do have the original off. It's the remnants of it right there. And you can still kind of see the outline of some of the lettering still on there. So we've got a couple steps ahead of us. So the first step is going to be to use the Goo Gone, and we'll use some paper towels, and we'll just kind of get this, any remnants of adhesive off of there, get this nice and cleaned up. After that, we're going to go ahead and cut these stickers. I'm going to actually just cut this right down the middle here, so I'll have the left side and the right side separated. And I'm going to make some test fits on here just to kind of see where exactly it's going to go. From there, we're going to use the tape, and we are going to pre-tape it underneath so that I can, well, you'll see. We'll show you on the video how I'm just going to kind of use that as a guide so that I can lift it up and just set it flat on there. Check out them stitches. Yeah. So then, before we make the application, I'm just going to hit it with some good old dish soap and water. And some people will say, you know, do some Windex, maybe some rubbing alcohol. I like just plain old soap and water. I feel like it gets it nice and clean. We'll hit it with a microfiber towel when we're done with that. Can't forget to have a few sips of IPA along the way. And anybody who was asking earlier, I just used a guitar pick to, you know, get the letters scraped off. So figured it would be safest to not scratch the surface of the paint and the clear coat. So that's where we're at. So we'll go ahead and get this surface prepped. Alright, so we are basically ready to apply here, and so I'm going to use the, I don't know what this is, a little piece of cardboard. I'm going to use this to sort of, you know, get everything down nice and flat, work out any of the bubbles as we go across. Kind of got it set up right here. So this will give me kind of a template, got that taped on. So we'll switch cameras and see how this works. There we go. Side one is done. Looking pretty good. There we go. Side B is complete. Driver's side is done. And this one came at actually darn near perfect as far as bubbles go. We have a little tiny one on top of the eye there. A little couple mini ones in the O, maybe one at the little bottom there. Little tip of the end. But other than that, that is it. This one came out really good. So there you have it. The new Blubicon decal. That looks pretty darn sharp to me. Alrighty guys, well there you go. Hopefully you learned a few things. Maybe you learned some things that were helpful. Maybe you learned some things that aren't going to be too helpful. But either way, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, share the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.